In this video, we're going to look at how do we research if how many people have access to certain object. Let's say we want to look for a particular object and how many people have access to it. Let's go to user, complex selection criteria, users. Okay, so I want all dialog users. Okay, only without logs. Okay, and then I want authorizations. Let's say I want yes underscore taboo underscore this. Okay, click on enter values. So here are the two fields, which is the authorization group and then activity. So I want to say 01 or 02, and then I want to look for comma star comma. Okay, any object which has star. Okay, that means full open access, or I can say yes. Okay, you can just go specific like that, or just star comma star. Okay, I execute that. Okay, so now it's showing me. So here is the criteria I used. Okay, and here are the users. Okay, so you can also further highlight them, and then say roles. Right, but in this screen you will not know exactly which role the access is coming from. Okay, so for that you need to do further analysis at the role level. Okay, just highlight them, click on the role, it will show you all the roles assigned to the users. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download the SAP Cyber-Security free tool. Thank you.